Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using JeetOptin to build your list free. Let's get started. Autoresponders help you create lists and forms that can save the email IDs of your potential subscribers. If you're not able to allot a budget on paying for the monthly fees of autoresponders available today, you can have another option that you can use which will save you money and do the only thing that you need for your email marketing campaigns. That is, to create opt-in forms and to get the email IDs of your potential subscribers. Then save them inside the custom email lists that you have created. That plugin is called JeetOptin Jeet. You can use Optin Jeet to incorporate a list management plugin in your WordPress site. You don't have to use autoresponders such as GetResponse, Aweber, or MailChimp just to send out email marketing promotions to a list of subscribers that you have gathered for a certain period of time. These autoresponders will require you to pay a certain amount of fee just to use their services after testing out their free trial. Let me show you how you can use JeetOptin. Log into your WordPress site. If this is the first time you're using this plugin, you need to download and install it first. Go to Plugins, then click on Add New, click the Upload Plugin button, then click on Choose the File button. Look for the plugin from your drive, then click Open. Press Install Now. Wait for the plugin to be installed, then you need to activate the plugin. Once it's activated, you can see the JeetOptin Jeet plugin under the Plugins section. Now, you will see the Optin Jeet menu on this site. This is what you can see as you click on the plugin. You have the option to create a new list, create new opt-in, show all the lists created before, and show all opt-ins. First, let's create a new list. Click this button. Type in the name of your list. In this section, you're going to type in the field names that you require your potential subscribers to input. You can also set each field as required. If you need your subscribers to enter search fields, like in this email field, which is set to required. Now you can ask them to enter their names and choose the type of field to text. And you can tick the required check button or not. You can also delete a field if you need to. Now click this button to create the list. We can see the list we have created in this table. Now that we have a list, we can create a new opt-in form. Click the Create New Opt-in button. Then type in the opt-in name that you want to use for this opt-in. Under the Select List, choose the list that you want to link to this opt-in. Let's choose this list that we just created a while ago. Under this drop-down list, you can set a redirection URL here. You need to create a thank you page to where your leads will go as they click the Submit button. If you want to redirect people who submitted their email IDs on your opt-in form, like a thank you page or a download page where they can get the freebie that you promised, check this box and input the URL here. Now, click the Generate Opt-in button. After you created the opt-in, Optin Jeet generated the code for you. You need to copy this code, so click this button to copy all of the code. Click this button. Now you can use this code and embed it on your website or web page. Let's try to add it to a page. Paste the form code. You can see that the opt-in form is shown in this section. Let's test if this works. Type in an email ID and click the Submit button. As we click the Submit button, we can see this thank you page. Now let's go back to the Optin Jeet menu to check if the email ID we just added is saved on the list. Then click on Show Lists. Choose the list we have created a while ago. As you can see, the email ID we added is shown here. If you have gathered more email IDs in this list, we have the option to export them in the MS Excel as CSV, and also export them as PDF or even print them out. If you have thousands of email IDs in your list, you can even use the search button to look for specific email IDs. You also have the option to delete some email IDs if you need to. Optin Jeet List Manager is a powerful plugin, especially for your WordPress site. It lets you generate email lists from your WordPress. You don't need to use paid autoresponders that require you to pay fees every month. JeetOptin will help you create simple forms and incorporate lists to where you can save the emails of your subscribers. Now that you know about using JeetOptin to build your list free, we can now proceed to the next chapter start getting subscribers. I'll see you there.